Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. Honestly, I've been dying to say this. Not that I've not said it earlier, I've said it like a million times before, just off the camera. You know how you put makeup on in the morning, picture yourself to be filming a YouTube video? No? Just me? Alright, not at all embarrassed. It's cool. I guess I always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I never had the guts. But since we're in the middle of a pandemic and everybody is doing what they always wanted to do, here I am giving it a shot, hoping that you like it. So if you're a person who's as nosy as me, then you would know that what's in my bag videos used to be a big hit back then. I mean, around 2008 to 2016. But the trend just faded away, and I don't think anyone's filming these kind of videos these days. So I always knew that if I start my YouTube channel, then this is going to be my first video. So without any more rambling, I'm just going to get into the video. So this is what the bag looks like. It's super heavy, so I'm going to put it down. It's a tote bag. I got it from a brand called Amki, and the best thing about this bag is that it's vegan leather. I got it in 2017 and this is 2020, so I would say it's pretty sturdy for a bag, at least for the price I paid for it. And yeah, I mean, the only complaint that I have is that it does not have a partition, but I think I am okay with that. At least it comes with this pouch sort of a situation here, so that your stuff doesn't go here and there, which I think is great again. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link it down in the description box below. Can't believe I'm saying that. But yeah, if you're a college going girl, and if you're, or even you're a working woman, I would say that this is something that you can absolutely check it out at least. So let's see what's there in the bag. So the first thing that I have is a notebook. I love the print, love the fact that it's hardbound. It's just a plain simple notebook, and I just write my notes and random stuff in it. So that is the first thing that I have. Then I have is a book. It's Sapiens. I'm sure you've read this one, or if you've not read this one, at least you've heard about this, because apparently everybody is reading it in the metro, and I am not even halfway through, but if there's one thing that this book does, is it makes you smarter. So if you've not read this before, I would suggest you give this a try. And the other thing that I have is this little diary. It's actually a pink book, so normally people have is a black diary, but I have a pink book here because if you can't tell, I really like pink. So pink diary is what I have. I normally write my to-do list or random ideas that I get, or sometimes if I want to write down a thought, then I'll just quickly write it down. The main journal that I use is the one that is on my bedside table, the brown one, but this is the one that I carry with me throughout the day. So that is that. Another thing that I have in my bag is this pencil kit. It has these little cacti drawn all over it, and it says stay away from me. I don't know if it's gonna zoom in or not, but it says stay away from me, which I think is super cute. And I have, of course, two pens in here, a paper clip. This is so cool. I have to show you this one. So this is the paper clip. Oh, I love this one. I love the color. I love how bright this is, and it's just cute. It makes studying a little more fun. So paper clip. Then the next thing that I have is a lip balm. It's from Nivea, and oh my god, you guys, it smells amazing, it tastes amazing, it moisturizes your lips, it's cheap, it's everything that you could ever ask for in a lip balm, and I absolutely love it. And it's clear, so even guys can use it. And please guys, use lip balms. Nobody likes chapped lips. So that is that. Then I have my Aadhaar card. That's it. The next thing that I have is these facial wipes from Himalaya. It is moisturizing aloe vera facial wipes. I don't think it is moisturizing, but I mean, it does the job. It has no alcohol, which I think is great, because alcohol is not good for your skin. Do not put anything that contains alcohol, especially not on your face, because it dries your face and it's just not good. I have is a pack of these tissue papers. These are your normal dry tissue papers, nothing fancy about them. It's just that it's from a brand called Pasio or Pasio, I don't know how you say it, but they're like super soft. So if you guys can find out this particular one, I would say you should give this one a try, because they're like super soft. So that is that. The next thing that I have is a pair of these reading glasses. I ordered it from Lenskart. This is what they look like. Your normal plain reading glasses, black in color. If you guys want to check it out, I will link it down below. I am not a fan of online shopping, but because I broke my glasses during the lockdown, so I had to order it online. I had no other option. But I have to say that the service was pretty decent, so I have no complaints. What I have is a clear water bottle. Please carry a water bottle. It's so hot outside. I cannot say this enough. Your skin will thank you later. Your body will thank you later. Please carry a water bottle. So that. Next I have my wallet. It's tiny, it's blingy, and I love it. I ordered it from Shein, so you can't get it now, but if I could find something similar to this one, I will surely link that one down below. So that is my wallet. It's just I've got some cash, some random receipts, some coins, and that's about it. That is that. Then I have is a pack of mint. It's in spearmint flavor. You know what it does, so mint. Next thing that I have is a sanitizer spray. It's from a brand called Arya's, and it just makes the tedious task of sanitizing things a little more fun because it comes in a spray bottle and does the job. So a sanitizer, very important. If you were not carrying it before, please keep a sanitizer in your bag now, and I really hope that you already are. So a sanitizer. Then I have is a yoga bar in the flavor blueberry pie. Not gonna lie, I never used to carry these ones before, but after the pandemic, since I am not eating anything from outside, so if I ever get hungry, joke's on you pandemic, because now I'm ready. And the next thing I have is this black plain simple card holder. I don't remember where I got this from because it's super old, but the fact that it looks still the same is something that amazes me. So a card holder. Then the thing that I have is this hand cream from Khadi Gold in milk and saffron with shea butter. It's super moisturizing. The only thing that I don't like about this is the packaging, because you have to scoop in your hand every time and then take out the product. So that is something that I'm not a fan of. But other than that, it's super moisturizing, and especially now that we're sanitizing our hands every other minute, I think a hand cream is a must. So a hand cream. Then I have is a scrunchie. It's your plain black scrunchie. Yeah, you know, how do I explain this? It's a scrunchie. So scrunchie. And pepper spray. Very important. Carry sanitizer and pepper spray. That is it. Don't carry all this ridiculous stuff that I have here, but please carry a pepper spray and a hand sanitizer. It's a brand called Empower. I ordered it from Amazon. It's very important. It's so tiny. You can just, you know, put in the bag and forget about it. I mean, don't forget about it. Don't forget about it. So pepper spray. And next thing that I have is this grey pouch. It has got this little sparkly situation going on here. So that. Then what I have is a sanitary napkin. Even if you are done with your dates, please keep a sanitary napkin because someone else might need it. So sanitary napkin. Thing that I have is a mask. I usually wear a mask when I step outside, but in case something happens to that one, or if I lose that one, so I am always ready with another one. So a mask, and I think it's degradable, which is great because the normal surgical masks that you use, I don't think they are degradable. So it is a very environment friendly alternative that I have. Then I have my earplugs and a clip here. So that I have is an EDT Exquisite Bloom. Smells heavenly, very refreshing. So perfume. Then I have is paracetamol. Then I have 2 hair ties. I have is my medicine for allergy. I am allergic to dust. Sounds like a super fancy allergy, but trust me, it's not. You keep sneezing the entire day and it's just not fun. So my meds for that. The next thing that I have is a concealer. It's LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural. Every YouTuber raves about it. Everybody swears by it. So a concealer. If there's one thing that you will always find in my bag, then it's going to be a concealer. So concealer. The thing that I have is a lippy from Lakme in the shade Pink Glam number 12. Love the color. It's very mauvey, very pinkish. So that. Then I have is a lip balm. It's from Maybelline Baby Lips. I don't know if you guys know, but Alim had launched her limited edition a few months back. It's it's in the shade Highline Mine, and it's super pigmented. Like, I'm gonna give you a swatch. Look at that. That is a lip balm. So this is something that I really like. It is super moisturizing, super pigmented, and yeah, I don't know if it's still available, but if it is, then you guys can give it a try. You will not regret. So a lip balm. The last thing that I have in this pouch is an eye drop. I wear lenses, so my eyes get really dry. So eye drop. Then what do we have? We've come to the end of the video. I get, oh no, yeah. So there's this one last thing, Tiny Portly in grey color, and it looks so dirty on camera, but it's dirtier in real life. I keep all my random stuff in here. So I've got my lens kit, then I've got my pearl studded hair tie, because why not, and then I've got this really cute hair clip. It's black and white, and I think it's super cute. So that, and then I've got a pen drive, and then I've got these, wait, then I've got these pearls. There you go, these the pearls. This is how I think I'm gonna jazz up my outfit, you guys. I'm gonna wear these pearls and put on this clip, and then tie my hair with this one, and I think I'm ready. This is how I think I will jazz up my outfit, you guys. But yeah, this is it. This brings us to the end of the video, and I cannot believe I just finished filming a YouTube video. But yeah, I mean, this is all that I carry in my bag. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, bye.